We were here a few weeks ago and we turned what used to be a door into a wall. I'll show a bit of that. Kind of soundproof. Look at that colour. Are you happy there's a sushi place next door?
Stoked day.
And today I think we're taking this wall out here.
So I do a Joe Rogan kick? Oh, I might rip my shorts actually. My shorts are real tight.
Right now we're in Newmarket and we have another job out in West Auckland. So Pider's going to be busy here sorting this job out while I pick up some materials for the West Auckland job. And then hopefully I can come back here and help him finish. Well, something tells me this won't be a all-day job.
Just got here, right? Still
Just got here and the walls almost completely disappeared. Oh well. Time for me to go. See you soon, buddy. Just picked up a few new tools. Just kidding, these are empty boxes for tools. Just plastic boxes basically. Alright, so we have the track for the sliding doors that we're going to put in tomorrow. Hey buddy. He's just skirting.
I'm just marking it up.
Look at that. All sorted. Pider here is putting the jib on. Let's watch him, shall we? So that's another exciting job done by Scott Brown Carpentry. So the door didn't work out. Fortunately, the clashing on the door wasn't thick enough to allow us to take 10 mil off the door. That door opening is 10 mil smaller than, you know what I mean. 10 mil smaller than the other door, so we tried to cut it off, didn't work out. But this is all ready for the plasterer and painter and the electrician. Wow, what an exciting episode of Scott Brown Carpentry. So exciting.
I'm so happy.
See you tomorrow, we're going to put the doors on. Woohoo!